So to get that nice little rabbet cut on these 4x4s, if you put your 2x6 right next to it, because that's what's going to sit on this little shelf here, scribe a line that is the size of that 2x6. Then you have to adjust your circular saw blade to make sure the blade doesn't go below this line here. And then we're just going to do a series of cuts all the way along here. And then we're going to knock those out with a hammer, and then you'll have a nice little shelf for your 2x6. Like I said, not hard, but tedious. This is one of the chisels I got from my grandfather's shop. He passed away a couple of years ago, and project by project, every little bit, his memory will live on. The idea is that this 2x6 will fit right there on that groove.